Hi everyone, this is Srinivas Gummadi. We started our trip along with my friends at railway station Kottavalsa Saturday night 9:45 p.m. It's a very simple journey, just to one day. We reached Jagadalpur railway station next morning 6 a.m. Uh, 260 kilometers journey. Then we had local tiffins. They are very delicious tiffins. From then we hired car, 8 seaters car for 3,000 rupees only from morning till evening. We can use. From there, we first of all we visited the Danteshwari local temple. It's very good. Then after that, there is a Jagadalpur palace, very nice. From there, we visited the Balaji temple. It's a big temple and good area. Atmosphere is very good, and we prayed the God Balaji. Very colorful temple. All of our friends worshipped the temple. Then we reached the Chhatrakot waterfalls. Just the waterfall. The Chhatrakot waterfalls is a natural waterfall on the Indravati river, located 40 km from Jagadalpur town in Bastar district in Chhattisgarh state. You know, it is often called the Indian Niagara waterfalls. The height of the falls is about 100 feet and width nearly 1,000 feet. You can see the coverage of the area. Chhatrakot waterfalls, Indravati river, very beautiful waterfall, natural waterfall. Everyone should enjoy. It's a great trip for us, not only for us. Everyone can enjoy the trip. My friends is covering all the area of Chhatrakot waterfalls. It is, as I said, natural waterfalls. Uh, I think it is better to visit the Chhatrakot waterfalls uh, during October to February. It's the best time, I think. You see, boating is available there. You can hire the boat just for 100 rupees per head. They charge only 100 rupees. The boat drivers took us very close to waterfalls. Then you can enjoy very much.
Excellent! Super!
The natural waterfalls very big. From October to February, it's very clear water you can enjoy. But other times, other seasons, if you go rainy season, the water seems to be muddy water, reddish water. Then boats may not be allowed due to heavy rain. So better to visit that Chhatrakot waterfalls October to February months. It's a low budget trip, just 1500 per head. You see, one of my friends, Mr. Ravi Kumar, is singing a song naturally on boating and boat.
భీముని పట్నములో నా పిన్న
He is singing
పెద్దలంత చూడా భీముని
a beautiful
పట్నములో నా
song.
పిన్న పెద్దలంత చూడా పెద్ద పందిరిలోనా
Our friends are also following him. So here you can see the boating. Everyone have enjoyed very much. You can see in the during the rainy season, you look like the water muddy and gold color. Sometimes if you go to, you can see rainbow scene also, and night time also you can go night time. This is a model house of tribals. Handicrafts stalls by the tribals. There are a number of stalls are there. My friends bought so many natural handicraft things. From there, we visited on the way Kangar Valley, but we could not enter in that valley due to lack of time. So you can see Kutumsar. From that, Tirthagar, we reached Tirthagar waterfall. The Tirthagar fall is another popular natural waterfall. All seasons tourism site and a good photography place also. It is located at a distance of 35 kilometers from the Jagadalpur town. This is also the most beautiful waterfall
ఆడి
of
చిన్నదేనండి అది
Bastar.
తీసింది
It's a height
మారేడుపల్లి వాటర్ ఫాల్స్
300 feet. 300 feet.
చూసా తక్కువ వాటరే కానీ
So there
రాళ్ళు మీద
also
దొరకడం వల్ల
our friends
కనిపిస్తుంది
enjoyed very much. We can depend, we can take bath very free. For that we enjoyed very much. Our trip ended on that day evening 6 p.m. Thank you very much for watching.